morning, Maninder.
Very good morning, ma'am.
I have a question for you. What do you love about your school? So much love about your school that made you to come back to school again.
Firstly, I love about my school is the faculty which we have in our school, and the environment of our school is really the best. And the way the teachers explain us, the way the teachers are interacting with us, the way the teachers are helping us, and the way of teaching is really best. We can freely interact with our teachers. We don't have the fear in our mind that will teachers scold us or will teachers beat us for that doubt. No, we can freely ask any doubt to the teachers. We can freely come down. We can interact with our principal if there is any problem in the school. We can freely talk to our director sir, and even director sir come to our classes sometimes to ask whether there is any problem for us. So we obviously say no, because obviously there is no problem in the school. And in this pandemic, after this pandemic, when the school started, they are really taking care of us a lot. Like we are sanitizing our hands very often, and we are maintaining social distancing. Our classes are getting sanitized every day, which makes me come back to the school.
One more question for you, Maninder.
Ma'am.
It seems that your answer is very clearly mentioned, very vividly it is posted by you, like you were waiting for that reopening.
Yes, ma'am.
What made you that online classes, did you really feel bored about it?
It is not as bored, ma'am. It was that we were not clear with the syllabus, and even we can say that we were bored with those sitting in front of the screens whole day. And it was really very problematic for us to sit in front of the screens, and whereas we were not able to interact with our teachers, which is the most big problem for us.
Thank you, Maninder. Nice answers. Good morning, Dikshita.
Good morning, ma'am.
Nice to see you again in the school. You are from 8th class now, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You are the top ranker, I guess?
Yes, ma'am.
And you used to get first or second grades. Is there any worry for you when you were attending online classes that it may fall down your grades and all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah? Explain.
Because there was no proper interaction between teachers and students, I missed many concepts, and when I'm writing exams also, I have some incompletes. Because of that also, my grades were fall down. My grades fall down, and because of network issues, the class was disconnecting, and many topics were I was confused in the topics. Because of that, my grades were affected.
Are you now enjoying the offline classes? All your friends are coming? Now you are so confident again you can make your grades up. Okay. One final opinion. Like, what is your vote? Vote for online or offline?
Offline.
You prefer offline? Okay, thank you. And another question. Suppose a child wants to learn 100%. Okay, he wants to reach his goals. Will that offline learning process and teaching and learning process will help him to reach his goal, or is it possible even with the online?
Than online, offline is only better, ma'am. Because if you have any doubts on spot, we can ask to teacher. Because of that also, we can reach our goals.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am.
You are from class 9th, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I have a question for you after this pandemic. I hope that offline classes have started. Which type of learning is your preference? Offline or online?
I prefer offline now because we are able to interact with our teachers and friends, and we are able to enjoy our classes, and also we are able to understand the lessons properly, and we are able to express our doubts with our teacher. So I prefer offline classes.
So one-to-one interaction is there in the offline classes. You can talk to your friends and clear doubts. You can also interact with your teachers, then and then you clear your doubts. So your preference is always offline classes. And how the offline classes are going on now?
They are going on without any interruption, and we are able to express our doubts with our teacher very clearly. And so,
Good. All your friends are coming. The percentage of attendance is good in 9th class.
yes, ma'am, full present every day.
Oh, very good. Nice to see you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Nice to listen from you. Thank you.
Good morning, Aditi. Good morning, Manita. You are from 7th, right? Yes. So I have a question for you. Okay. Were you able to interact with your teachers in the online classes? We had online classes, right?
Actually, no, because that time when teacher is writing on the board, we can't express our doubts or queries because in the small phones we can't type fast and teacher can't understand fast on the small phones, so we can't express our doubts.
So are you happy coming back to school?
Yes, I'm of course happy, but a bit nervous that there is COVID going on and. But after coming to school, I have a satisfaction that they are sanitizing the school once after we go daily, and there is a sanitizer kept in the school, and we are happy.
So finally, you are satisfied with your school and you are enjoying.
Yes, I'm enjoying.
Is the strength full in your class?
Actually, no, because most of the members didn't come in our school. Our strength is very low because most of the people are scared of COVID and they didn't attend classes.
So at last you were unable to interact with your teachers in the online, and you are able to do it in the offline class.
Yes.
So you are happy with your offline classes.
Yes.
Thank you. Aditi.
Thank you.
Good morning, Hasini.
Good morning, ma'am.
You are from class 8.
Yeah, ma'am.
After pandemic, are you being regular to the school?
Yes, ma'am.
I have a question for you here. You attended online classes during pandemic.
Yes, ma'am.
Now from 1st March onwards you are coming to school. Which type of learning is so comfortable, or can you explain the advantages and disadvantages of both?
Yes, ma'am.
Definitely there will be the two phases for each coin. There will be two phases. For online or offline, some kind of defects and effects will be definitely there. Can you explain?
Yeah. Coming to advantages of online classes, a single teacher can teach a lot of students without any trouble. A teacher can use digital ways to explain the lessons. We can be more than that. We can be safe from getting affected from COVID by sitting in the house. Coming to our disadvantages, while we have to ask a doubt, it takes a lot of time to type a message. By that, teacher can change the topic and go to another topic to explain that. And we can't have a good interaction with our teachers. There are when we have some internet connection problems, we have some difficulties to attend the classes, or we can't concentrate in our classes continuously. Coming to advantages of online classes, offline classes we can interact with our teachers properly, we can have fun with our friends, we can ask help from them when we have any doubts or any other difficulties. We can be close with our teachers, we can ask principal ma'am or director sir for any doubts or queries. Coming to the disadvantages, there are no disadvantages, only one: if we do not take a proper procedure or during this pandemic, if we do not use sanitizers, we do not keep masks, we may get affected from COVID, but our school is taking all the precautions from like sanitizing the classrooms, sanitizers and everything. We can be safe from COVID.
Thank you, Hasini.
Hello, Kartika.
Hello.
You are from 6th.
Yes.
Actually, I had a question. As you returned school after almost 11 months, and are your parents happy sending you? Are sending you to school? Are they free to send you to school?
Firstly, while sending to school, they were nervous because they don't know about what sanitization they are taking care. Afterwards, they are happy because after we go to home, the classes are being sanitized, and every student is wearing mask, and they are taking all precautions of COVID.
are you happy? Are you satisfied with the facilities given by our school?
Yes.
Can you define few facilities which are given by our school?
They are providing sanitization and drinking water, and they are sanitizing the school.
Okay. So yeah, parents are happy and we are happy.
Yes.
So it is best to come to school, right?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, Geetam.
Good sister.
You are in 7th, right?
No, 6.
6. Okay. I have a question for you.
Yeah.
You returned school almost after 10 to 11 months, right?
Yes, sister.
So are you happy coming back?
Yes, sister, I'm very happy. I'm seeing the teachers and I really miss my friends, and I'm happy to see these teachers and my friends.
How did you feel when you first entered the school? Were you nervous?
Yes, sister, I'm nervous
For what you were nervous?
because coronavirus is there, and does the sanitization would be there or not?
Okay. So are you satisfied with the school things? School, whatever school is providing, are you happy with that?
Yes, sister, I'm very happy.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, Joyce.
Good morning, sister.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I had a question for you. We were having online classes for almost 10 to 11 months.
Yes.
So were you able to attend them regularly?
No, because there were low net signals and there was lot of disturbance by my family, and the meeting used to end in the between, and because of household works I was not able to attend regularly.
Okay. At home we have many works like going out and we had few emergencies in our houses, like we might be going to villages and all. So there, did you go to your villages or else like that? Were you able to attend there?
No.
Because of what?
Net signals.
Okay. So are you happy coming back to school?
Yes.
Thank you, Joyce.
Hi Shrikar,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm fine.
So I have a question for you.
Yeah,
How did you feel after coming after 11 months to school?
I'm so happy to see my friends and
Okay, are you satisfied with the school facilities?
yes, I have everything for me.
Yes, thank you.